Meaning of frequentative.
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 Frequentative. The term frequentative refers to a grammatical aspect that indicates repetition or frequent action. It is often marked by adding a suffix to the base form of a verb, such as lu or in English. The frequentative aspect can convey a sense of continuous or habitual action, or it may indicate a repeated action that occurs over a period of time. In linguistic analysis, the frequentative can provide valuable insights into the way a language expresses habitual or iterative actions, and how these patterns may vary across different dialects or regions.